Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix low sound from speakers in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, change call audio routing. So to change, open settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now here click on touch and then scroll down and here click on call audio routing. Now here if you have selected Bluetooth headset or speakers, then select automatic. So after selecting automatics, the low sound problem will be fixed. But if it does not fix your problem, then open settings again, scroll down and here click on sounds and haptics. Then here scroll down and click on headphone safety, and from here if you have turned on this reduce loud sound button, then turn off this button, and after turning off this button, the low sound from the speakers problem will be fixed. But if it does not fix your problem, it means the case or the lamination is covering your speakers. So take off your iPhone case and lamination of the speakers and clean your speakers. So after cleaning your speakers with a clean cloth, the problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.